Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. So today we're going to begin working on a project that is going to span over a few weeks. The great thing about remote learning is that it allows us to get creative as teachers and as students and break down some of the walls and structures that we might have to deal with in person, like maybe the interaction between two different classes that may not meet at the same time. So we're still going to be designing in this course, but we're going to look more at the process of design than the technical part of design due to the limited access to our programs, right? And so this project is really going to focus on the concept of logo design, but also this concept of giving feedback. So the first step we're going to be handling is the idea of swapping between two different roles, almost every other assignment. So the first role you're going to see is the role of someone who owns the business or a shareholder. Basically, you're a person who works for this business. You have some stake in this. And the other role is the role of a freelance designer who is going to be designing for a company. So those are our two main roles. For the first day of this project, we're going to focus on brainstorming. So you'll see that we shared with you in Google Classroom this document called Class Company. And so we're going to develop a logo eventually, but first let's think about the business idea. Let's come up with 3 imaginary businesses in our head. I want to show you how you're going to break down this business into something that we can eventually use. So for our example, the name of the company we came up with is Aquata. The company is an American beverage company based in Brooklyn, BK all day, that focuses on naturally flavored water as a healthy alternative beverage other than soda and sugary beverages, right? 3 adjectives that describe the company: it's a modern company, it uses fresh ingredients, and it keeps the design simple. And the values of the company, like what is important to this company. And Aquata values the idea of a great tasting beverage, but that's fresh and healthy, and it's alternative to some of the harsh chemicals and sugar in sodas and other beverages. And then the demographic. Now the word demographic means who are you selling to? Who is your target demographic? Who do you want to buy your product or use your company? So our target demographic is people from about 20 to 50 who just want to make healthier choices in their beverages. Does that mean someone who's 18, 15 won't drink this? No, but it means that I'm trying to get a certain age range of people as my focus. Now, the way we came up with this name is that we use this name generator website. You click on it, it takes you here, and you can put like keywords. So for example, I wanted the word water, and when I did that, it came up with a whole bunch of examples of different brands, names based on the word water or something similar. Now, if you don't want to use that, you can still come up with really creative names. You can mix words together. You can find the Latin root word of something or maybe a word in another language, but get creative. So you're going to try this out with 3 companies. Make them up. Think about products or services that your company can offer. Right? It doesn't necessarily have to be a product. It can be a service, like maybe it's food delivery or something of that nature. You're going to come up with 3 different examples, and you're going to fill in the information. Again, this is imaginary, so get as creative as you can. The student that comes up with the best idea from each class, or maybe if we hybrid them with 2 ideas, will get bonus points for just coming up with something creative and unique, and it'll represent your class's company. So think outside the box, right? This is your time to shine in your creativity, and good luck.